What's up YouTube? Hello mga amigos and amigas.
Yeah.
I have no update videos on my YouTube channel. There are reasons, by the way, because number one is because of my work. I have three new clients. Basically, if you have new client, you have to study their existing system and you have to observe it. And if you can do anything to improve, at least to improve their existing system, it will take more time. The ransomware, remember the ransomware, the malware? It hits the internet. I think that was last month. One of my not a regular client, on-call basis clients, they are affected with this malware. We cannot retrieve their data, but at least they have backup. So I just restore their backup, and yeah, it's like that. Okay. So the second is my wife was admitted. That was last 2 weeks ago because of the we have to pump a blood on her body. And the third is Gabriel. He has a summer reading class. So I have to drive him to the center and also drive him back home. Basically, that's the reason that I have no updates on my channel. So at least now, it's not that busy anymore. So I'm starting to do my regular vlog. Tomorrow I'll be leaving to CDO, Cagayan de Oro. I have a client there. It's a three day work in CDO. Tomorrow is my flight around 10 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, see you tomorrow, okay, in the airport. By the way, in my Facebook account, which I link my YouTube channel, someone sent me a private message. She's not my friend in Facebook. You can send a private message to a person with if you're not friends yet, telling me that if I can do a Tagalog vlog. Okay, Tagalog vlog. Yes, I can do Tagalog vlog, but I'm not very fluent in Tagalog, but I can speak Tagalog because my wife is a pure Ilocana. I mean, yeah, if Ilocana, so your language is what? Ilocano. Most of her ancestors are speaking all Tagalog. When I'm still in grade 1, when my father was transferred to another place like in Davao for 2 years, and most of our neighbors are Tagalog. 80% are Tagalog. One of my friends, our neighborhood friends, we gathered there outside and just playing, just chilling, shouted, wag dyan, may langgam dyan. Then, what? Langgam? So, dakpin ko. There's no dakpin word in Tagalog. Anong dakpin? I mean, hulihin ko. Oh, hindi mo yan mahuli kasi langgam nga maliit yan. Hindi mo yan and then masakit yan magkagat. Ko, ha? Langgam is not small, it's big and it will fly, di ba? Langgam. Plus guys, langgam in Tagalog, but in English that's ants, no? Langgam in Bisaya, in English is a bird. No, not that bird, ha. Okay. Remind that. just arrived here in CDO and now I'm riding a VHAR going to Lim Kit Kai because my client is waiting there at Lim Kit Kai Mall. So expect now more checkpoints in this area because all we know is Mindanao is under martial law. So see you later at Lim Kit Kai Mall. Guys, I'm here in Lim Kit Kai. Nagawat ko sa kong client. No? So, asa man eh. So, I'm still waiting for my client here in Lim Kit Kai Mall.
Six and a half hours later.
I'm in my hotel right now. Here in CDO, so I have to rest the whole day, just work, no, just installing the server, installing the system.
A few inches later.
So midnight snacks, and watching YouTube here in the hotel. I prefer to drink only water instead of juice. And yeah, don't forget the chocolates.
Day 2.
So this is day 2 here in CDO. So I have to finish my work today. Actually, yes, last night. It's almost done. Now I will just train the users how to use the system. So hopefully I can finish it within 2 days, because tomorrow I'm gonna leave here. My flight is around 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Let's eat breakfast first. So I'm gonna go out and look for a breakfast.
6 and a half hours later.
Now my work is done here in CDO. So tomorrow I can now leave and go back to Cebu. But first, my client said we have to go somewhere else later. We're gonna eat dinner. After dinner, we will go to a bar. But by the way, I'm not a heavy drinker, okay? Just chilling. Okay, so this is my last night here in my hotel. See the view outside. Open this wider and that's the view. That's the gasoline station. Yeah, it's basically that's the view in my freaking hotel. What's that? What's over here? It's like a checkpoint, okay? Oh my god. I just woke up. Last night I got a few bottles, around 8 bottles, but it's not hard, it's just Sunmig Light. So that's why my voice is so terrible. So anyway, I'm packing my things na, no, because I'm going to I will eat first lunch, then after that we're gonna ride Magnum Express here in CDO, going to the airport. Okay, so just woke up, it's almost 10 o'clock in the morning, and then yeah, I'm not that drunk, but I feel it, there's something that it's like the world is spinning. It means I'm slightly drunk. So anyways, I will pack my things now and I'm going out. So now, I'm ready na, no? So I will go down and check out na, and then I will wait lang for my friend outside because yeah, we'll eat lunch pa. So after lunch, by the way, 4 o'clock is my flight later, so I have time. I have more time pa, no? So let's see where we will go, okay?
Sana ra. Nagsakit ko. Nagsakit asay.
Bye, Sidyo. I'm leaving now.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Mactan, Cebu International Airport. Sabco is delighted to welcome you to Mactan, Cebu in